We stand at a fascinating crossroads in the history of work. The rise of artificial intelligence is not just another technological update, it is a fundamental shift in how value is created. For decades, the formula for productivity was simple: people tools. Today, a new, more powerful equation is emerging: the humans times AI payoff. This isn't about addition, it's about multiplication. The greatest gains will not come from AI replacing humans, but from humans leveraging AI. This partnership depends on our ability to cultivate the one thing machines cannot replicate: our humanity. The central challenge we face is surprisingly simple. As machines take over routine, predictable tasks, so what exactly are these human skills? The term can feel vague, but its meaning is straightforward and practical. Human skills are the durable capabilities that enable us to handle complexity, ambiguity, collaboration effectively. They are the things machines, for all their processing power, do poorly. Think of them as 4 core capacities. The first is critical thinking and problem solving. This isn't just about analyzing data, it's about asking insightful questions, challenging assumptions, connecting disparate ideas to frame a problem in a new light. It's the ability to step back from a flood of information and find the signal in the noise. The second key skill is collaboration and communication. In a project-based world, the ability to build trust and articulate complex ideas clearly is paramount. It involves persuading a skeptical stakeholder, mediating a conflict between team members, inspiring a group to rally around a shared vision. These are deeply social and emotional processes that rely on nuanced context and shared understanding, elements that AI struggles to grasp. Effective teamwork isn't about sending messages, it's about creating shared meaning. The third pillar is self-management, which includes adaptability, resilience, and emotional regulation. As the pace of change accelerates, the ability to stay calm under pressure, learn from failure, and pivot without losing momentum becomes a critical asset. Finally, the fourth essential skill is ethical judgment and leadership. Many organizations continue to operate on an outdated model, prioritizing technical proficiency and process compliance above all else. They train employees on the newest software or the latest regulations, but fail to invest in underlying human skills. The harms show up in predictable ways: innovation, decision-making, employee morale. Problem-solving suffers. When training focuses on procedures, employees won't question the status quo or try new approaches. With AI-driven efficiency, there's no room for human ingenuity. Example: a financial firm implements AI to detect fraud, but analysts miss novel schemes outside the algorithm's training data. Second harm: erosion of collaboration. Team effectiveness breaks down. Projects stall from miscommunication, unresolved conflicts, and low psychological safety. Third harm: disengagement and turnover. The good news is that a growing number of forward-thinking companies are making the smart pivot. They are fundamentally rethinking learning, moving away from event-based, fact-focused training toward continuous, context-rich skill building. The core principle is integration: embed human skills inside technical training. The goal is not just to know, but to do. Use real-world problem-solving, analyze messy data, build a compelling story, and present to skeptical stakeholders. Simulations with immediate feedback make practice safe and transformative. The impact: lower turnover, higher psychological safety. As a leader, clear the path and signal priority. Make learning a core business value. Identify 2 or 3 critical human skills for the next 5 years. Don't guess. Learn from top performers and strategic needs. Blend human skill practice into existing programs. Equip managers to coach and give them time. Use AI to personalize practice and scale feedback.